If you want to share files with iPhone on your OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can get the OnePlus Connect app on your iPhone. It is of course downloadable from the App Store. And then once we get it, we can of course open the app. Now on our OnePlus 15, we can go to Settings, choose Cross-Device Connectivity or Device Connect. It can be named either this or that. In here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find Share with iPhone or PC, and we can turn this option on. We can also grant access to the location and everything else that is required over here. Let's go to Settings, choose Allow all the time, and alright, now it is enabled for 10 minutes. So after that, what we're gonna do is, for example, I'm gonna go to, let's say, Photos. And over here from this Photos app, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this photo over here. Let's open it. Now I'm gonna use the Share button in the bottom left corner, and we should be able to find iPhone or PC. Now in this case, we have the prompt that we can install OnePlus on our Mac, but in this case, I don't need it. And as you can see, we do have the iPhone detected, so I can select it, and let's see if we can actually find the information. It is actually cancelled by sender over here. It displays like that. So let's try again. Let's cancel and try again to see if this time it's gonna work. There we go, this time it actually worked, so I'm gonna press accept, and of course we should be able to easily send the selected photo. There we go. Now if you want to transfer something the other way around, then of course I'm gonna go ahead and open the library, and let's say I'm gonna transfer this photo over here, so I'm gonna share it. And in here, let's see if we can find the OnePlus Connect. There we go. Let's select it, and we should be able to find our OnePlus. So let's select it, accept the transfer, and it is done. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.